We're starting on the cutting the boards out here. I don't know how well you can see that. I'm using the Bob W1 and it's stuck on the end of a metal can here. Okay, we're knocking off for today. Today is Sunday. We got back from the car show around, I don't know, 2 o'clock?
Around that time, yeah.
And Steve wanted to get going because he had a long drive to Edison, New Jersey. It was great seeing him. We both had a good time. And Tommy went around and did all the video and snapshots of the car show.
Yes, I did.
So the car show, you should be seeing it now. This will be put up maybe tomorrow. Today is Sunday. I don't know the date.
Today's October 8th.
October 8th. Okay. What I decided to do is to rip all this out and then get the wood, because it's very time consuming. I don't know what I'm going to find under here. So overall the joists are in pretty good shape. There's a little softness on the first, in some places an inch. I just sisted up some other wood in there. It's going to outlast me. I'll be dead by the time this is rotted out anyways again.
Hey, don't say that.
Well, listen, I'm not going to live another 10 years, I can tell you that much right now. Over here, I got to get some more wood. I need actually 10 2x6s to finish this right up to here. But what I also have to pick up is some more 2x4 4-footers. Over here, I have rotted joist. It's good on this side with a ramp, and the platform was done in 2013, but this isn't. So simply, I screwed in a 2x4 here, and when we get the 2x6s, they're going to go right here, so the screw-in point will be over here instead of here. But what I'm going to do is to get some more 2x4s, and I'm going to sister another one up there, so this will become a 4x4. And these are 2x8s. I thought these were 2x10s. These are 2x8s. So these are all good. The only thing is they get to be split because, well, you know, putting too many nails in line like that, you know, whether it be screws or nails. So got to get these nails out. Right now, we'll just leave it like this. And I got all this wood here. I got to get the nails out. And this is Douglas fir. They were galvanized, but they still rusted anyways.
After 10 years?
Yeah, these are galvanized, but they still rusted anyways. And I had picked up some more nails, and I forgot to ask for galvanized, so they gave me regular. How would I use them anyways? But I only needed a few in the areas where I needed the number 20 nail, which is 4 inches, and even that wouldn't go. It was too soft, so I had to pull it out and sister in a 2x4 on the side, like I did over here. No problem. It's not going anywhere. It's only about the first, at the worst, maybe 1 inch on the top of the thing. And the right way to do it, we can't afford it, I cannot physically do it, is to tear everything down to the frame and do it all over again. In other words, replace all the joists and everything. I'm not doing that. This is good and solid. You can jump all day on it. 20 guys weighing 400 pounds can jump up and down on it. It ain't going to go anywhere. You know? So tomorrow, if all goes well, I'm going to get the wood. Now, by the time you see this video, I'll probably be putting down the decking. So it's going to just get done to here. I brought it all the way to here. And I brought up these nails here so that I can slide the new wood in. This wood on the outside is pressure treated. These weren't. These 2x6s, but this was, so this is in good shape. So all I got to do is just come up to there, notch out, put a 4x4 here, and put the 10 pieces right across. So that's what we're going to do now, and I got to get this done this week, before Friday.
The 13th.
I got to get it done before Friday. So that's going to conclude the video. I'm going to let you edit this one.
Okay.
All right, you speed up where you need it. Where it gets boring, you speed it up. I'll tell you, I have a lot of energy today. It's all temperature related. If it's humid, I feel like I'm suffocating, and it just kills me. And of course, I filled my face quite well at the car show.
So did I.
And that's it. So the car show was really good, and by now you probably have seen it. So until we meet again, whatever it is you do, don't put up tomorrow what you can do today, because you may like it today and you may want to do the whole thing again tomorrow. We'll see you in the next part. Take care, everybody.